Hello everyone, just a quick one today, something a bit different. Here is my Chubb Cruiser. It says 669 on the back. I think that means it's either made in 66 or 69. I can't remember how their coding works. Let me know in the comments. Here's my homemade tools. I have bent this one once because I made it out of a brass key blank, but it still works. Let's get it in there and see how it goes. So what you do with these, especially Chubb Cruisers, is you just little taps, working the levers up bit by bit by bit. Going over and over and over the levers, just nudging them up again and again. And there's the open. I hope you enjoyed.